So here we are using the Magic Leap with the spot. You can see the spot in the distance. My coworkers are in the background, and I'm able to do various activities with the spot, including moving the spot around. You can see it twisting up and down, and you can see the camera feed updates as the time goes on there. And I can change the camera views, left, right, front. I'm gonna look left and right. And you can see the camera views update. Now, this is not using Kinesis video stream, so the difference here in the camera quality is pretty dramatic because of that. And you can see me in the distance there. That is me. And then it's we got this special admin mode for this particular demo that allows me to manipulate the spot, move it back and forth, left and right. And you're able to see the actions, the spot's battery life, the average temperature. The menu follows me around as I'm moving along. And so I can be in a completely separate space, power the spot off and go off and use another device. We have a bunch of experimentals going on that we're working on as well, but there we go, that spot is sitting down, standing up, and I can collapse the menus down as necessary. So let's say I want, none of these menus, I just collapse all the way down to just the menu that I want to see. As well. So here I can get rid of any of these menus that I want to get rid of. So that's the RG marker. That's the one we're working on right now, and various other menus. All right, awesome. Thanks.